I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you want to enhance your account security, enabling two-factor authentication is a great step. Here's how to do it on Truist. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings or profile section, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Look for security settings. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. Toggle it on to activate this feature. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Select how you want to receive your authentication code. Options typically include SMS, text messages, or an authentication app. Step 5. Confirm your setup. After selecting your method, follow the prompts to verify it. You may receive a test code to enter, ensuring everything is set up correctly. Remember, if you choose SMS, ensure your phone number is up to date in your profile to avoid missing codes. I hope this helps you secure your account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.